Papa. I'm filming you now, so you have to hit it. Remember, just... Oh, first shot! Now what are you going to shoot at? You're too good, you are. Why don't you have a shot at the little pink animals? Okay, just move the butt of the weapon, not weapon, firearm. Move the butt of the firearm around till you can see them. Can you see them yet? That's it, good boy. Don't put your finger on the trigger till you're ready to shoot. That's it. Oh, I seen that one go close.
It missed.
Yeah.
By one, and I saw where it hit.
Yeah, did ya? Okay, cycle the bolt.
Oh, it just hit.
Did it?
Second shot hit.
Alrighto, we'll have to have a look at that when we go out there.
And I'm going to try shooting the green thing.
Okay, we'll move the butt over till you can see the green thing. And don't forget to cycle the bolt. And don't put your finger on the trigger till you're ready to shoot. Remember, get your, tuck that, when you're ready to shoot, tuck the butt under your arm, that's it, because it's too long for you. Where's your left hand go? That's it. So you don't shoot till you get a good sight picture. You getting a bit itchy?
And every time it happens, I lose my target.
Okay. Well, you don't have to. It's not about speed. It's about taking your time and just relaxing, because you get a more accurate shot when you're relaxed. Okay. Remember to tuck that butt in under your arm and move the bag back to hold the butt up. There you go. Did you get him? I see it moving.
Yep. I got it on the side. I mean on the top.
Righto. What are you going to aim at now? Why don't you aim at the pink circle that I just painted? Yeah, that's it. Swing the butt around. Okay. While you move, I'm going to put it on safe. So while you move the butt around till you get the pink circle. Okay. I'm just going to lift the front of it up. Can you see it yet? I'll just stop the camera and I'll help you find it. You can see it? Okay. When you're gonna push forward the safety before you fire this one. Push it forward. Push. Push it forward the same way you shoot, like this. Okay. Now you're ready to shoot. Ooh, you hit something.
Yep, I hit it.
Righto.
But it didn't knock over.
Yeah, it's pretty heavy, that metal plate. But we'll see where it knocked the paint off, eh?